So welcome on the roof of the orphanage in Bapatla. We're standing here because I want to show you some of the problems that we're facing here in this orphanage. And if you just look around, it doesn't look too bad. And it feels like the roof is very stable, but to be honest, it's not really the case. If you look here, you can see cracks in the concrete. And that seems not too bad. But the thing that actually happens is that through these cracks, the inside of the concrete has become wet, and the iron that is in there has become rusty and is corroding, and through that pieces of the roof are falling downstairs. Let me just show you what is happening. Just follow me.
Yes, yes.
Video. So you can see here at on the roof side where pieces of concrete are breaking off, and it's a very dangerous situation. Obviously, if one of the children walks past here and concrete falls off, it's very dangerous. Let me just show you a little bit more. So usually the children were playing in this area as well, but they're not able to anymore because here these sides of the concrete of the roof are breaking off and it is falling apart. Very dangerous. So that's the state that the orphanage is in, and I want to show you one room inside as well that also gives a very clear what the problem is. So normally the family is sleeping in this room, but we cannot use this room anymore because of the damage on the roof. And you can see here that the whole ceiling has been taken out, and it's because of the inspection of the roof, and we see cracks all over, and that means that the same thing as what happened there can happen here any moment. So the people that have been inspecting this place have said this room is so dangerous that no one is allowed to sleep here anymore. And they told us that half of the roof needs to be renewed. So we're hoping that a lot of people are willing and are able to donate a little money so that we can really help this orphanage to become a safe place for the children again. So would you be willing to give something for the orphanage? We are very thankful already.